Turtle. Turtle. Turtle.
Is he gonna come out and eat the grapes?
Turtle.
Wow, turtle, yes.
He's a turtle.
He's a turtle.
Turtle. Ha.
He's gonna go back in his shell. We waited so long. Say, come on out, turtle. Come on out. We're nice. Come on out, please. Oh. Come on out, please. Maybe you just have to be nice. Here he comes. Come on out, please. You can come on out. Can you say, come on out, turtle?
Bye-bye.
Oh, you want? Oh,
There comes his head. You see? I think he's gonna eat those grapes.
there's a turtle. Look at turtle. Anthony, look at turtle. There he is. There he is. He's looking at mommy. Taking that picture. Oh, there's his head. There's the turtle.
What do you think of that? Oh, hey, don't pull. Look at the turtle.
Look at turtle.
Look at the turtle's head.
Look at turtle. I wonder if he thinks those grapes are nice.
Anthony likes grapes.
Anthony
You think the
likes
turtle
grapes.
will like
Turtle
some of your
likes
grapes?
Do you think the turtle likes grapes?
Mm.
Yeah. Oh, he's looking at mommy.
Look at that long neck. Do you see that turtle's long neck? Look, there's his feet. There he goes. Look, Anthony, look at him go.
So he's coming to get Dad.
Look at that turtle.
Let's put the grape up. You'll see it.
Oh, oh! Oh, is he going to fall off our
There goes
porch?
turtle. Oh.
No!